So this is in regard to the recent incident that happened, 2-3 days back. So me myamnasu ubiramani tabiramani videos me am sinkiba, but let us all remember that every coin has two sides. Ko moigi side of story tabaroi hai. Huzik, please listen to our side of story. So aina ahang bamaktra haijaning badi. Huzik ki hariba auntie haisra ima haisra ma se lungbiram da leiba natte. She is from Imphal second marda ki lakpane. And then aina ngasi haning badi sigi thodok se noina lungviram haina haibasi lungviram gi relate kari su leite madi individually as an individual person mana lamlei hi bani Amson haiba mi adagi ko. And aduga Amson haiba sina kanara haiga, he is the chief of Konsakhul. So Amson se Konsakhul ki ningthau neba. Aduga Amson sina kari tawba haiga akhoi Leilon khunau gi lamdu mana yonthok charakpaneba yonthok lambado akhoi indi kai su khangbi de. So for example noi gi compound da noi gi yum mamang du da noi gi lamdu da mi na yum sagi na laadi kai su haide bida without any prior notice, without anything beforehand, laaga lam sagi na laadi. What would you think? Let me just briefly tell you what really happened. Go without any filter. That 6 numitsida JCB puraga yum sanangai landu takke na lakpane ba moise ko laaga. And then after akoy nakhamba matungda we went to them and we requested them earnestly, very humbly. Akoy na request ako baneba asise akoy gileron kuno gilamne asi please sabiganu without any prior notice ka idletabida asmain sabiganu horen ko na fazana clarity leiraga ngangnaba matungda you can continue your work, but for now please hold tobiyo sabiganu haibaneba ko bizan request ore or workers ma'am sulaye. And then yanaraga moyum chakre. And then the next day amka moy laeba laaga they still continue the same thing. And then obviously akoy su amka chat tabani and then amka chat lure request pesan to re yade si tawganu there will be a problem afterwards ko. But still moina they try to continue their work. Moi gi thabak tawdo yum saningai gi lam takpado taweba aduda Leilon khunau gi authority ga moi gi Amson gi moi gi authority ga laeba ngangnaraga tawba yaroi ngai haieba. And then they keep on talking about our land. Akhoi gi lamne akhoi gi lamda yum sagi tawraga moina khami haiba adu khamdu kari gi maramra su hai deba in video me am yengeba kari gi noi gi land su hai draga noi, like you talk as if noi gi lamda hoina thingapogumna cookie singa laaga thingapogumna haieba. Please do not do that khangbra. We all are Christians, we all believe in God ko huzik matam se yamna very tense matam neba as we all know kari issue thok prana. And on top of that we adding oil to the fire tawudu please tobi ganuba. And then you don't have to include the whole Naga society because of this, because of your individual concern nang mi am purakanuba. As the situation is already worst, please don't try to add oil to the fire. Ado haijaning badi ado my dear auntie, my dear mom, ay ima gumbani ko noina sise ehoi gi lamne hardi please bring your legal documents. No legal government recognized over documents later na no na kamai na like kadi wakhan lega akhoi gi lamni haina na claim to ba yabra ba akhoi gi legal kuno gi mingdadi we all have each and everything documented khambra government recognized over document legal document leye ba adu noi gi kaisu legal kaisu later na akhoi gi lamni kuki macha sin la aga phubi adu to bi habdo nang kadi wakhan lege nang wana conscience habas later braba. And then you keep on talking about how people exalted you aduga phubi phone su lambi at my tobudu kathai the story laga nang sakat panoba ay yam eba. Please listen to me carefully. Nang I know that nang nungayam dabayay pesa mayam tinguraga lamdali roga nang gilamduda like I understand your concern. I me oibani ko. But that is between you and Amson. Amson and nangwanda karigi lam yolambra ma yinatabadu. That's not up to us. Khangbra akhoi ga kari su relate de. But still akhoi nangwanda fazana request tawraga si tawbiganu fazana ngangnaraga adu taraga you can continue your work haizabane ba. Adu nang na hosi drama thoibase kaino ba. You shouted this and that in media da kaino nganga like falsely mebu kera involved on badu karigit mai tawbra heba. And then to all my dear CSO executives and leaders, just because as an issue, an incident, no in a kari issue tigatabida, you know, like I've said, coincida front and back lego. Adudu for ama side too, kari issue tigatabida, no in a lambi tingba, adudu tabudu. Like, why did you do? It's my earnest request. If you really want, the truth to be, prevailing, magi truth to assemble prevail toge, kangdo ke hardy, please, Pazana tigapiyo, no give ama side story, kak tatabiganuba. I know, like, the situation is already very worse right now. But still, I am earnestly requesting you. Situation do, kamay tora, kamay tobra, karigi maram de gitokbra, adu pasan tigat piyu. And last but not the least, very most importantly, kananasu antibu, imabu, exalto bide, pubide, aduga molest tawgira natraga rape tawgira adugumba karisu laite. No one even threw your phone. Ko akhoi nang na video ko man namra aduda taraga, we just earnestly requested you adumai tawganu lana thokhini adumba nambiganu pasangana se ashi tawganu hai bahaiza ba aduga nang na mi la aga phubi adumai tawbudu kadai digi lakpano ba aduga adu request tawriba mi rusu nupi ne ko nupa na ngonda la aga adumai hai banate ba. Ahoy na puning di nupa ani ahung lebudu puroidro blue and black tahan loidra ba adun na tabida kadai de gino na story sakat padu the audacity that you have as a Christian woman go as a mother ay nga eba. That is why I was compelled to make this video. Aduga mi mayam na khang ngai di ahoy gi anti haijari base lungviram da leibasu natte ma Imphal digi lakpani ko second ma Imphal digi lakpani. Please, no, let's stop making allegations, false accusations. Go, let's all hope for the better, but never with lies. Aduga, to all my aigi and ima auntie liang my women society bu, aina please, aina request of tausaningba, appeal tausaningba di, pot se achumba karira, pasana titok piyu. Adu kari su khangdana mi amagi story khak taraga ko like blindly support obiganu khangbra. We all are Christians, forget about them, but we all are Christians. Ishort hazaba mi ngaktani. So please pot khuding mak se chumgira langira phazana thigat laga ngangna se asumai media da video namraga tumaina thadoga sandokpadu tobiroi se tobiganu please. Ko noise story say it's very bad without knowing the like real truth. Ama thigatana please tawbiroi se please